today we are going to make a poster. We are going to need two fabric, 16 inches by 16 inches. We are going to fold into 4 and get the radius 8 inches. We are going to mark 8 inches and then we cut. So we are going to do the same on another fabric. So we are going to fold into 4 and then using the first pattern we are going to cut. We are going to open both the fabric, right side facing the right side. We are going to secure it with our pins. We'll stitch around, leaving a small gap for turning. We are going to turn our fabric the way I'm doing, right side out. Make sure every part has come out well, especially on the edges. Then we are going to iron on both sides. We are going to fold into half and then we'll iron. So you will fold a quarter part the way I'm doing on both sides. And then we'll fold again. We are going to stitch on our middle line. So after sewing, we are going to fold again into a quarter the way I'm doing, and then we'll iron. You'll do the same on the other side, and then we'll iron. Then we fold again into half for us to get the middle part. We are going to sew on that middle part. On our corners, we are going to remove that part out. So I'm going to bring it out nicely and fold it the way I'm doing. You bring that part out and then you fold it on the edges. Folding it, we are going to iron. You give it a good press on both sides. We are going to stitch around the costa. We are going to leave a half an inch allowance. So we are going to sew neatly on both sides. We are leaving a half an inch allowance. So just be careful. Let it be neat and very straight. So now we are done. Our costa is now ready. Very beautiful and very easy. Hope you've liked the video. So go ahead, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.